Magic Friday. Alright, here's a cool magic trick you can do anytime, anywhere. Check it out. All you do is place your hand up. If I place my hand on top, you can see right in the middle. You can see my hand on the other side. But here's a cool trick. Check it out. All you do is grab it like so. With your other hand, you're going to pass it right through. And you're going to make it completely disappear. And it comes right back. Isn't that cool? Anyways, I'll tell you the secret right now. And now for the secret. Alright, here's the secret. Secret is super easy. You can fool your friends and it's a lot of fun. Check it out. All you do is place your hand like so. When your hand goes this way, all you're going to do is completely goes in. You bend it. Isn't that cool? See, all you do is just go like this, and then you're putting your hand in. You're gonna go like this. You're gonna bend it, and then you're gonna squeeze this down to a corner so you can twist it completely till it gets to like this right here, so they can't see it from this side. You can also do it with one finger. Watch. Check it out. Just take out your finger, grab the other finger, and just make it completely disappear. And of course, it comes right back. Isn't that cool? Anyways, hope you guys like it and have fun.